Like all other animals, nutrition in human involves all the five steps, that is ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation and egestion. The nutrients such as proteins, fats and carbohydrates are broken down into simpler molecules. In humans, the process of nutrition occurs in the digestive system or alimentary canal. The human's digestive tract is about 9 meters, approximately 30 feet in length. The utilized energy from the food it must be absorbed by the wall of digestive tract. Digestion process prepares food for the journey. For this journey, it is the process that breaks the food that you eat into molecules small enough is the absorbed by the cells that line the digestive tract. After digestion, nutrients get absorbed from the small intestine and are carried to various organs and cells by the circulatory system of the body. The digestive system is divided into the following parts. First is mouth cavity, second food pipe or esophagus, and third stomach, and fourth small intestine, and fifth large intestine, and last is anus. There are some more organs and glands like salivary gland, liver, pancreas, and gallbladder which help in the process of digestion. The human digestive system is complex. It breaks down the complete food we eat into simpler, usable form. The process of digestion involves many steps in the process. The undigested food is passed out as waste material. Food from the mouth enters different compartment of the digestive system. Digestive juices are secreted by the inner wall of the stomach, small intestine, salivary glands, liver, and pancreas. These digestive juices convert complex food molecules into simpler molecules which can be used by the cells of the body. So now understand what happens to the food in each parts of digestive system. In the mouth, food enters the body through the mouth. This is called ingestion. Ingestion is the first step of nutrition. Digestion actually begins in the mouth where food is masticated by the teeth. Mastication then is the process grinding of solid food into small particles by the teeth. The mouth cavity includes teeth, tongue, and salivary gland. The lips protected the outer opening of mouth, and the cheeks form the side walls. The floor of mouth has a muscular tongue. Food is first chewed by the teeth and mixed with saliva. Saliva is secreted by salivary glands that open into the mouth. Saliva is secreted in the mouth even before the food enters the food. This is the reason your mouth salivates at the thought or smell of food. Saliva digests starch in the food to sugar. It makes food soft so that is easily swallow and chew. Let us learn about the teeth, the salivary glands and the tongue. Let us learn about the teeth. The teeth break food by clamping, piercing, grinding and crushing. This process is called mastication. The teeth are the first tool of our digestive system which break, break down the food into small particles. Teeth are hard structures held in the sockets of the jaws. Teeth are covered by the whitish substance called enamel. It is the hardest substance in our body. We have two sets of teeth in our lives. These are milk teeth and the permanent teeth. Children have 20 milk teeth. The milk teeth corrupt and start growing when a baby is about 6 months to 3 years old. These teeth eventually fall out and are replaced by 32 permanent teeth as the person grows older. Wisdom teeth, also called the third molar, usually grow between 17 to 21 years of age.